The pool itself was a huge part of the design concept, and I wanted it to be more than just a refreshing dip. I wanted it to be a statement.
Hi, I'm Della, and I am the designer and owner of Wonderlodge. I met these clients when they purchased another property from us that had a really incredible outdoor experience that included a prefabricated pool. And they brought me in on their new project because they wanted to create a similar experience.
I think it's really important to have a theme or a concept for a vacation rental property. So I came up with the idea of the Italian sunset, Amalfi Coast, think of going to the beach in Positano. So I wanted guests to feel transported when they came out here. And so the Plungie pool allowed us to create a really unique striped tile design that all connected back to striped umbrellas on the beach in Positano, that sort of thing. One of the best things about working with Plungie was their customer service. They made the whole experience really simple and easy. They have really robust installation guides, and so by the time we got to the part where the pool was craned over the house, we felt really comfortable with the results and the outcome. I can't wait to recommend Plungie pools to other designers. There's a lot of people that are looking to incorporate pools into their vacation rentals, and Plungie was really easy to work with, and it was absolutely a good experience.